What's up guys, this is Aditya and you're watching Smeared Pages. So in this video, I shall be presenting my night routine for a weekday. So after I return from school, I'll get myself some food and rest until about 7 p.m. After that, I'd start studying. If I have any homework due the next day, I'd complete that, else I'd start progressing with my syllabus. So I normally study until 9 p.m. and then I'll watch some anime for a while, have dinner and then go to bed to wake up to another beautiful day. So that's pretty much my night routine right now guys. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.